Hello everyone. So our topic for the innovation challenge is basically multidisciplinary warehouse companion robots. So this solution is basically based upon uh, a solution where we want to provide collaborative robots for many sectors like the defense sector, agri-tech sector, industrial sector, and also the med tech sector. The example that we have chosen is for the warehouse sector. So here we have we made two robots. Firstly, there is the drone. The drone will go to the factories, collect the raw materials, and drop it in the warehouse. This will all happen autonomously by the waypoints that we suggest in our web app. So, Mayur, can you show the web app? Okay, here is the web app that we have created. In the web app, we can specify how many vehicles we want to choose, the drone and the rover. Then we connect to them. Then we specify where the rover has to act and where the drone has to act. After that, after the drone has done collecting the raw materials, at the same time, the rover also has to explore the warehouse and draw a map inside its brain. After that is done, the raw materials are collected from the drone to the rover, and the rover will pick and place all the raw materials from its origin location till the shelves, and it will identify it through the QR codes in the raw materials on top of the packaging and also on the shelves. So that's it for our project, and thank you very much for listening.